Now that we're moving on to step B, we're going to have to create a new part. So we'll hit File, New. We'll create part, and OK. This time, we're going to look at it from the right plane. So when we sketch this, instead of doing the rectangle like we have in the past, we're going to go to the line tool. What we're going to do is start right at that intersection of the two arrows, and we're going to go over a little bit. Remember, we don't care about dimensions until after the fact, and we insert our dimensions by smart dimensioning. So we'll go over, we'll go up, we'll go over, and we'll go down. At this point, I like to hit Escape. Then I like to smart dimension. So we could do point to point. So from this point to this point, I want it at 0.75. Then from this point to this point, I want it 13 inches. On this one, I could do this line to this line, and this should be 5 inches. And this point to this point should be 9 inches. So the reason why I added this 3/4 inch is to cover up one of your boards during assembly. But now we're going to use a tool that this class has not done before. We're going to use the spline tool. So right up here is the spline tool. It takes a little bit to get used to. So when you click on it, you might want to do a little bit of practice. But we're kind of want a little wavy look to it. So if you click as many times as you want, but as you click, you see how it kind of curves and changes, even if you already did the previous one. Once you're done, you can hit Escape. But then every time you click, you get these little stars or nodes where you could kind of move and bend. Okay. So that tool is going to take a little bit of practice, but once you get your shape, you can exit sketch, select your sketch, go to features, and extrude. We are still using 3/4 inch pine, so 0.75, and we'll extrude that. Now, just like the top board, we're going to fillet all our edges to 0.25 because that's the size router we'll be using. And we want to select the front face, inside and out, and our spline edges. And actually we'll leave that just like that. Then we'll check mark, and there's your board. Then please save this as Part B.